Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be making a stage 3. Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be working this beautiful 2022 RXTX, and we're going to be doing a stage 3, and the first time we're going to be using a Calas tune. Now this jet ski is going to have a stage 3, and I'm going to show you guys what a stage 3 Calas stage 3 is all about, and it's going to be for Harold, this guy here. And look who we got here, Carmelo. Hey, they're visiting here. So this kid's gonna be for Harold, and he's gonna take it up there where he lives, and he's gonna have some fun with it. And it's gonna be a stage 3 with on pump gas. So watch out, there's gonna be a stage 3 up there. So here we go, let's get to work and let's see what happened. Basically what we're doing to this is we're putting Calas cam, Calas springs and retainers, intake brace, ribbon delete. We're gonna take out the filter from inside of the intake manifold. We're gonna put a fizzle in the cooler, blow a valve and the pipes. We're gonna put a 142 on the supercharger. Intake. We're gonna put the fuel pump with a relay and a 1318. And we're gonna tap the manifold for your wideband so we can tune it the right way, and that's about it. We're debating if we should do it open loop or closed loop. I want to do it closed loop. This one here wants to do it open loop, so we'll see what we'll do. All right, so we got the intercooler out, we got all the stuffs out, we got the original intake off the back. I hate leaving that there. And now we're gonna take the rockers off and we're gonna replace the springs and retainers. And then after we do that, then we're gonna do the cam. And we can close this up and we'll take the manifold off, we're gonna tap it, and we just go in order. So, see what happened. How many people does it take to take the ribbon delete off? Hit it hard with a hammer. He's been doing that for like half an hour.
Twist it harder.
You got it.
Over there.
1 hour ago.
Oh my God, what's this?
Come on, you can do it, come on, we only got so much in the video.
Okay.
Oh Jesus, we're gonna have to cut this up.
Yeah, we'll bring this also.
Come on.
Okay, ready? Hold it. Oh my
25 minutes later.
We made it.
Yes. Calas cam, baby. We got the springs and retainers on, and now we're putting in the cam. Let's see what happens. We're taking a break, so what do we do?
Woo! Right. Woo!
Harold, you're next.
Woo!
Come on, Harold.
Yeah!
Man, we had a long day today. Woo! Harold, your turn now.
What is this forward? Yeah. Wow, push it. Keep going, keep going.
After a long day, you have to take a break. All right, guys, so this is day 3 working on Haro's ski. He keeps adding stuff to this thing. So it's still stage 3. I mean, I haven't pulled the motor out. There's no lightweight stuff on the motor. So it's just straight bolt-ons. Here's the fuel pump. We got a 340. I had to put the return. This is Brian doing his magic. Now he got all these little plugs and stuff, so makes it a lot more professional. And here is the fuse and the relay, fuel regulator from Reba. We got the brace, the BTU 1100s. Let me put this like that. Now I'm working on the open loop. I'm gonna do the whole open loop, and I think we are ready to go. We're gonna tune it with HP tuners. Let's see what numbers it gets. All right, guys, so we got this done. I'm pretty much ready to spin the motor right now. We have the hoses in, we have the fizzle in the cooler in, DDR carbon fiber intake. This thing is awesome and super light. So we're gonna crank it up, get some oil flowing through the cam. No spark plugs and no injectors. So I just want to spin the motor, get all the oil flowing through the cam, and then after that, then we'll crank it up and see what we got, and then we're gonna tune it. If you own a 2018 and up RXT-X or RXT, man, let me tell you something. This thing here weighs like 1,000,000 pounds. I could not believe how much that thing weighs. Something I think about for all of you guys who wants to race this kind of jet ski. It's heavy. All right, guys, so I think we're pretty much done with everything in this jet ski. So I put the coils in, put the spark plugs in. We're missing our bond for the O2 to tune it, but it should crank up. Even though it needs to be tuned, it should crank up. So let's see what we got. Everything is there. We got power. Perfect. That's with a stock tune, and it has 1100 cc injector, so at least we know it runs. So now it's time to tune it. Let's go to the lake and see what we can get out of this stage 3. We'll see. Alright, so I'm here with Jack, and we are going to we are going to tune this baby and see what we can come up with. And this is a start of making flashes for SEADOO.
That's right. We can actually get into the factory
yeah,
do all the tuning we need to do, and then accommodate for all the big power mods. Because I know where most of these skis end up. They start stock. Oh, I'm just gonna do
a little bit. Yeah, stage 1.
That lasts exactly how long it takes to get beat by another ski that you built that goes 100 miles an hour. I know for personal experience what it's like thinking you got the big bad ski. You get on the water and you're like, I'm good. Oh yeah, come here, RXP-X, whatever you got, 1800, let's go. Then one race and you get beat. It doesn't.
That's it. No, I know. It happens all the time. All the time.
Free rent in your head for as long as it takes. Then you got to do everything.
Yep.
That's where we're going.
Yeah.
We're gonna tune these skis that need anything.
Yep. We're gonna have different flashes for different stage 1, 2, and 3. We are ready to go to the water and play around with the tune.
Let's do it.
All right, so we are at the ramp and we're gonna continue this fun stuff.
Hey man,
Oh
it
yeah,
looks better than this.
We're gonna look like two red tomatoes after this. We forgot our hats.
Oh my god, what the hell? That little cloud is all
I
we
know,
have right
this
now.
is crazy. So, well, let's see what we can get.
Fearless.